Good evening and welcome to Neeskara Elementary School. Who am I? I am Mr. Oz, the building principal, and you have now entered the home of Ernie the Eagle and our staff at Neeskara Elementary School. This is our summer social / open house. Parents and students, we want you to enjoy yourself at the open house and just know that we are here to answer whatever questions that you may have for us. Hey, but let me ask a question. What did you do this summer? Students, parents, I know that hopefully they had a good time and you are ready for them to get back into the swing of things in school. And you know what? We're ready for them too. So make sure when you're visiting classrooms that you are asking questions, getting to know our building, meeting all kind of individuals here that are going to support your children. And here's another thing. I am going to be in an auditorium where we're going to be talking about some Title I information. So please make sure that you stop by. I'm going to have our parent coordinator with me, as well as my math teacher leader, as well as my reading teacher leader, Mr. Jackson and Miss Rowan. So, without further ado, welcome, come and visit us, and be a part of Neeskara Elementary School because we love you, we missed you, and we want you to be ready. Now, there's a lot of rules and expectations that we have for our students. Parents, you're going to get this information. We have a parent handbook for you, so please remember to ask for one. And on behalf of Neeskara Elementary School, once again, I would like to say welcome to Neeskara Elementary School. I look forward to meeting all of you. Thank you.